Welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today's tip is kind of like a handy studio tip. I ran across this on the internet and saw somebody do it, so I'm not taking credit for it, but I am passing it along. Those of us who are a little bit OCD and have problems with mess in their studio, this is kind of a handy cleanup tool that kind of keeps things from getting messed up in the first place. So I wanted to show you guys this little trick. You can either use like a silicone mat, you can even use one of those like those thin plastic sheet cutting boards, but I have like a just child's plastic placemat here. So I wanted to show you this. I have a wood panel, and so let's just go ahead and assume that I'm going to be doing some painting on this wood panel today. And you know, like sometimes when you're working in your studio, especially on a tabletop, stuff tends to get everywhere. It kind of gets to be a little bit messy. So here's a little tip that can kind of help you out to keep the mess down a little bit. Here I have just a plain old low temp glue gun. And what I'm going to do, and I know you guys are scratching your heads and wondering, what is she doing? Actually, what I'm going to do is glue my panel down to this placemat. And you're going, what are you doing? Okay, the reason I'm doing this is because this placemat offers an easily maneuverable way to, maneuver this panel around. But it also, kind of offers a little bit of a mess catcher for when you dribble paint all over the place and stuff like that, so it doesn't get on your table. And the cool part is that once you've finished, executing whatever it is that you have to do, the cool part is that you can actually just take this, pop this off, pick the glue off, no problem, and then go about your business. Fling this in either in the dishwasher or clean it up easily in the sink, and you are good to go. So it's a really, really nice way to kind of prevent the mess, keep it from getting out of control, and making the experience a little bit easier. So we hope that you enjoy.